The past few days have been a real pain for all the major economies, and it continues as the COVID-19 continues to wreak havoc on an entire civilization on the globe. Nations had called for complete lockdown, companies had ceased their operations, and this had sensed a feeling of fear and misery in the entire mankind. However, the digital market and technology have become much stronger than ever before, and the need to stay connected has been made possible only through digital technological advancement. Hi, this is Shreya from analyticsjobs, and today I am back again with another exciting topic, that is top 5 technologies that are helping humans to fight this massive pandemic of COVID-19. Before getting started, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any important update from our channel. Number 1, we have NLP, Natural Language Processing, and Machine Learning. Kaggle, a subsidiary of Google and an online community of data scientists and machine learning, had organized the COVID-19 Open Research Dataset Challenge named the COVID-19 Challenge. It consists of over 29,000 articles consisting of case reports, transmission routines, environmental factors, and treatment strategy explorations that are helping the researchers to strategize and come up with better solutions to fight this pandemic. Number 2, we have blockchain technology. To understand how blockchain is useful in medical industry, let's first understand what blockchain is. In simple words, blockchain is a diary with crucial data which is almost impossible to forge. To make it more clear, let us understand through an example. We make purchases through different online payment platforms at different places. The transactions from all the platforms get recorded at one place in the form of strings of numbers and letters which cannot be manipulated, as these are highly secured, transparent and reliable. But if one wants to source the history of transactions, it can be done through blockchain technology. Blockchain in the healthcare industry can help to manage medical data more efficiently. It helps to track the increase in counts of patients worldwide and thus to collect the sample for research and track the supply of preventive materials and logistics. Making data more transparent than ever, blockchain is also helping researchers to find a cure against COVID-19. Number 3, we have chatbots. Chatbots provide an online triage to treat the infected. You will be amazed to know that Pagine Medici, a digital health-based startup in Italy, has created a chatbot based on the guidelines of the government of Italy. Do you know, in India, WhatsApp has created a chatbot called MyGov Corona Help Desk to deliver the right information about coronavirus and to get instant authoritative answers to queries of coronavirus. The 3D printing technology has saved the lives of many in Italy by producing vital hospital supplies, on-demand solutions for a wide spectrum of needs ranging from personal protection equipment to medical devices and isolation wards. The versatile technology is suited to address supply-demand imbalances caused by socio-economic trends and disruptions in supply chain. Lastly, we have drones. The situations where entire economies have been in lockdown and people are asked to stay at their homes, drones are significantly used to supply medical supplies, cutting delivery time and improving response time. Further, drones equipped with image recognition technology are being also used to detect symptoms of flu fever in China. All these technologies are contributing immensely to this adverse situation of COVID-19 and hence helping the nations in recovering at a good pace. In the near future, it is expected that these industries would expand and increase the job opportunities for the techies. Signing off for today, stay healthy.